In this video, I'm going to
how
show
you can
easily update Instagram app on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. And first off, you need to open up App Store. After that, tab right here to go to search. Top in the search field and then enter Instagram here. That's how we can easily find Instagram app. As you can see now, these buttons says open. However, we still need to tap right here, because in some cases right here we can find this update bottom. And now we need just to tap on it to get the latest Instagram app version. Just wait until downloading process is complete. Basically, guys, that's how you can easily install the latest Instagram app version. And if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button